Iris Raven, also solo third sa Pool B. Ano lang masasabi mo sa nagiging performance ng team?
Siyempre, masayang-masaya ako. Dahil naglaro sila ng maganda, nagre-respond sila. Basta, sino bang hindi sasaya? Napakasaya ko.
Thank you, Coach. And we also have Iris Talanada here, our best player of the game. Iris, just how proud are you of this young team? You guys played solo third in Pool B. How proud are you that you get these kinds of wins?
I'm really proud because, like you said, it's a young team. We're still building the program. We haven't been together for so long, but we come in the gym every single day with a purpose, and that's why we're able to be successful, especially when we need to be.
Thank you, Iris. And for Marina, you guys are third place in Pool B, advancing to the next round. How important is it that you guys get these kinds of wins?
Oh, we did a lot for real, and thank you to my team. And yes, thank you for our supporters. Like with them, with all the club, we did it finally. So I really appreciate. We did a great job for real.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, yung best start nyo with 3 wins and top 3 kayo maganda yung mapupuntahan sa next round. What does this mean sa'yo yung maganda yung umpisa dito sa PBL?
Kasi kumbaga kung sa Tagalog, kung sabihin, maganda yung pangitain sa future. Maganda yung magiging sitwasyon namin na nakalayo na naman kami dun sa isang L group 1, 2, 3 dun sa kabila. So, looking forward ako for a better future kasi kailan lang naman dumating ito? May. Ito, June. Parang talagang nag-build, nag-i-start pa lang kami. Kaya maganda yung future.
For Iris and Marina, they're both new to the team, but from day one up to this point, what has been the biggest change that has sparked this run of form and a strong opening round performance altogether for Capital One?
I think the biggest difference is really, well, honestly, me coming in and understanding my leadership role and what I had to do, and the coaches and management have discussed with me how I need to help the team. So it's me being a facilitator for the coaches, especially Coach Roger, and really just owning that leadership role.
Today, really appreciate my team. Thank you so much to turn on our all speed and start to play. Yeah, we start so hard, but then we did it. They did a great job. They start to score the points. So this is a different. So when we start to play this conference, we make a points more because of some mistakes, another team, or not the clear points. So today my teammates did kill points.
For Coach, yung best start ng Capital One, what does it mean lang sa'yo seeing them develop right in front of your eyes na nagsimula bilang mababang team, tas ngayon isa sa top 3 ng bracket mo?
Siyempre, natutuwa ako, masaya ako. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina sila sa Davao, what you do inside reflects whatever I plan for them. In a matter of 6 months, na-regroup ko itong team na to into a very good team. Malaking bagay yan. Kasi nakikinig, mababait yung mga player ko. Wala akong problema. Wala akong problema. It's just a matter of them understanding ano ba yung pinagagawa ko, para saan ba to. Tsaka yung setter ko nga, hinahayaan ko siya, sige, bahala kang mag-isip dyan. Hindi ko siya pinakikialaman. Once a while, tinasabihan ko siya, ito na, crucial to, dito mo na ibigay yung bola. Si Marina naman, mabait din, marunong mag-English. Buti na lang marunong din ako. Hindi nakapagtapos ako ng pag-aaral ko. So, it's easy to talk to Marina. Wala akong masyadong problema.
Iris, for the past couple of games, the team has been quite consistent in terms of competing, but there's still some hiccups like the first set. I guess as one of the leaders of the team, how do you get the team back to that core of playing the way that you guys can do?
Yeah, like you said, it was honestly competing. We always talk about just being resilient and competing on the court. It's up to us because we're the underdogs. We played another underdog team, so an underdog battle is pretty awesome to watch. So it's really everyone committing to keeping the ball off on our side and getting more kills.
For Coach and Iris, what's the team's mindset heading into the next round, especially after back-to-back wins?
Maganda yung mindset namin. Kasi, siyempre, medyo maganda yung moral namin eh. Mataas, confidence level namin mataas. We will not let this opportunity pass. Bihira ito eh. Especially for us, a very young team. Bihira itong makakarating. Baka wala pang nakagawa ng ganito eh. Kaya, hindi namin papakawalan yung chance na yan.
For me, I think it's just going to take everyone being present and being present in the moment and continuing to strengthen our strengths and work on our weaknesses. And again, just committing to be resilient and being good teammates to each other.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Marina. Thank you, Iris.
Thank you, guys.
Lanay ba? Nakaban niyo ako ah. Kala ko pa,